now we got our keypad in and we've programmed our zones. So to program, you're gonna go your default password *8, which is programming, and the default code is 5555. Then you're gonna go to zone definitions, which is your first thing, and you press star to go down the menu, and you press pound to go out the menu. So if I'm going zone 1, so my zone 1 is a supervisory, but I can choose what my zone is by scrolling. So you can do this however you want, by the way. You don't have to, but you've got all different definitions for zones, and so whatever definition you choose affects how the panel responds. So you've got, for example, you've got a delay zone. So a delay zone is like if I enter the door when the system is armed, then I got time to punch in my code. So we got two different delay zones. Instant means as soon as the alarm is triggered, as soon as the zone is triggered, you got an alarm. So for example, if you got a glass break detector, then the glass break detector will automatically trigger an alarm, because there's no reason to have a delayed glass break. Glass break is somebody doing something bad. Interior can be things like motion sensors, so it's important to set them up as interior, because what you can do is set up a perimeter alarm. So if this was a house or a business and you didn't want anybody to enter, but you wanted people working inside, you can arm just the perimeter, which would be doors, and leave the interior alone so that motion sensors don't trigger an alarm. Versus when everybody goes home for the night, you want to have everything armed, so a motion sensor would be an instant. Same with instant stay in the way, or delayed. So we've got delayed fire, means that the panel takes some time before it calls the fire department. So in this case, this panel is being used to monitor a fire alarm. But we've got standard fire, we've got interior delays, the day zone, night zone. So the final door set will be the last door that somebody leaves from for the night. 24-hour burglary zone means that this is always armed no matter what. Anything that's 24 hours. So supervisory could be something like a leak detector. This thing will always trigger an alarm. Fire supervisory is things like sprinkler systems. Gas, so that's a gas leak, a carbon monoxide leak, a duress, for example, like hold up. So this could be like a gas station, or panic, heat, medical, or general emergency, sprinkler, flood, tamper, non-alarm, high temperature, low temperature. You can also have a monetary arming or maintain arming. So these things automatically trigger the panel to arm or automatically disarm. So momentary disarm will disarm the panel for a certain amount of time, whereas maintain disarm will keep it disarmed forever until you rearm it. It's also a doorbell. Push to set, and then if you're not using the zone, you can set it to null zone. So in this case, I'm not going to set this because I just want to the fire supervisory. So any questions, please post a comment. Thank you.